Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube Shorts in Elementor. Want to add YouTube Shorts on your WordPress website using Elementor? In this video, I'll give you some instructions and information on how to add YouTube Shorts in Elementor step by step. So just listen carefully to the steps I'm gonna tell you, and if you follow them, you're gonna be able to do this task. Now let's dive into these steps. The first step is to copy the YouTube Shorts link, and to do that just open the YouTube app on your mobile phone, whether it's Android or iOS depending on which device you're using, or if you're using a desktop you're just gonna go to your web browser and then copy the URL of the YouTube Shorts once you find it. Now I'm gonna connect my Wi-Fi. Let's see here. The Wi-Fi is connected. Now I'm gonna go to the Shorts section. See here. Let's click on this one right here and click on Shorts to access the Shorts section. Let's see here. After that, to copy the link, we're gonna click on Share, the Share button, and we're gonna click on Copy Link from this pop-up menu, and just like that the link is copied. Now this next step is gonna be on your WordPress website, which you can only access on your computer, so I will not be showing you I will only be showing you my device, my Android device. So the first thing you're gonna do is log into your WordPress dashboard. After that, open the page or post where you want to add the shorts and click Edit with Elementor. The third step is to add the YouTube and widget. Now in the Elementor panel, search for video and then drag and drop the YouTube video widget onto your page and paste the short URL in the video settings. As for the fourth step is to adjust display settings, and to do that, force full screen mode and change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and adjust playback options like autoplay or loop or mute if needed. After that, click on update to save changes. Now if the short video doesn't fit properly, use Elementor's custom CSS to adjust the height and width. You can also use iframe code instead of the video widget for more customization. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to add YouTube Shorts and Elementor easily. Try it out to make your websites more engaging. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.